Yeah, so I got a request to make a live video, but it's a little bit more complex. Um, Cooking Jamaican oxtails, Jamaican style oxtail. I got a request to make a video about it, so here we go. Oxtail, and you gotta rinse it with water first, which I just did. But additionally to rinsing it with water, you've got to also clean it with vinegar here. Vinegar. And you'll need a little bit of browning sauce, about 1/4 cup. Soy sauce. Worcester sauce. Green onion, scallion. Carrots. You can use different seasoning. I like to use oxtail seasoning. And rosemary. You'll need thyme. Olive oil for cooking it in. A little bit of garlic powder. Some brown sugar. And beef flavored broth, or beef broth. Don't use chicken broth because you'll taste the difference. A little bit of ketchup. Let's see what else here. Minced garlic. Keeping it simple, just using up all the Goya I got. Not gonna buy any more Goya, but 1 can of Goya, or any brand really. Butter beans, and that's just all you'll need. It's the first step. I'm gonna strain. I can't get my phone wet though. These oxtail, strain it, and then you're gonna have to take them out after you clean it. Have me cooking oxtail with one hand. It came out delicious last time, so hopefully it will be as good this time, if not better. The longer it cooks too. I'm also cooking it in a pressure cooker, so the longer it cooks, the better it will taste. Step 2. I'm gonna show y'all step 2 in a moment. Gotta take the oxtails and dry them with a paper towel, then put the seasoning. Stay tuned, y'all.